In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Trello to organize your projects step by step. Whether you're planning YouTube content, managing work tasks, or organizing personal goals, Trello is one of the simplest and most powerful tools you can use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create boards, add lists and cards, use labels and checklists, invite team members, and even view your tasks in different formats like timeline. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to your board. For this example, we're using a YouTube planning board. If you don't already have a board created, click on Create Board. Give your board a name, choose a background if you'd like, and click Create. Your board is basically your workspace where everything will live. Inside your board, you'll organize your workflow using lists. Think of lists as stages of your process. For example, you might create lists called ideas or brainstorming, research and scripting, in production, editing or post-production, and ready for upload. These lists help you clearly see what stage each task is in. You can always rename lists or add new ones depending on your workflow. Now let's talk about cards. Cards are the individual tasks inside each list. To create one, simply click Add a Card under any list. For example, you might create a card for a specific YouTube video idea. Once the card is created, click on it to open it. Inside, you can add a detailed description, links, attachments, due dates, and more. This is where all the information for that specific task lives. To track progress within a card, you can add checklists. Click the checklist option and give it a name, such as Video Production Steps. Then start adding individual items like script writing, filming, editing, thumbnail design, and upload. As you complete each step, check it off. Trello will automatically show a progress bar so you can visually track how much of the task is complete. Another powerful feature is labels. Labels allow you to color code your cards. Open a card, click on Labels, and choose a color. You can also name each label, such as High Priority, Sponsored, or Urgent. This makes it easy to quickly identify the type or importance of each task just by looking at your board. If you're working with a team, click on the Share button at the top of the board. From there, you can invite members by email. You can also create a shareable link, copy it, and send it to others so they can join the board. This makes collaboration simple and keeps everyone on the same page. Trello also has an inbox feature. Click on Inbox to show or hide it. Your inbox allows you to send reminders or even create cards directly from your email. This is extremely useful if you want to quickly turn an email into an actionable task without switching between multiple apps. Next, let's look at Views. At the top of your board, click on Views to explore different ways of seeing your tasks. One of the most useful views is Timeline. When you click on Timeline, you'll see your cards displayed in chronological order, as long as you've added due dates to them. This is perfect for planning content schedules or managing project deadlines visually. Finally, Trello also supports automation and add-ons, often called power-ups. These allow you to automate repetitive actions, integrate with other tools, and customize your board even further. For example, you can set rules that automatically move a card to another list when a checklist is completed. This can save you a lot of time in the long run. And that's how you use Trello step by step. You now know how to create boards, organize lists, manage cards, track progress with checklists, use labels, invite team members, explore different views, and even automate your workflow. Trello is simple on the surface, but incredibly powerful once you start using all its features. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.